Hello, my name is Dylan Yong, and for my final project, I picked option 3, which was to create software solution that facilitates the management of customer records, incorporating the CRUD functionality. So in my project, I utilized Express.js for server-side logic and Sequelize in order to interact with the mySQL databases. The project enhances the efficiency in handling customer and stored data while also enabling easy creation, update, search, view, and deletion of data. I used Insomnia for testing and data manipulation. So here is the technology stack used. I used .env package in order to manage sensitive information. For the design process of the project, here is an overview of the database model. I utilized a schema.sql file in order to create the database structure shown here. On this slide, I describe the relational associations between the different entities. This allows our application to remain robust and scalable. So, one of the challenges when developing this application was creating the associations between all of the models. I came across a lot of errors when the association did not make sense. Also, creating the API routes was confusing at first. The image here is an example of what my API route looks like in order to retrieve a category. For opportunities, I was able to connect my database, connect my data to MySQL database, which allows the user to store, view, and manage all of the information. So for the demonstration, I will be using Insomnia. So here's Insomnia. And also I have dbeaver opened. So I will show, when I click send here, it will show all of my categories: shirts, shorts, music, hats, shoes. I created this testing one. I will go through each of the CRUD functionalities and show that they're all working. So let me create another category. I'll call this testing live. So send. Now it has an ID of 9, category testing live. If I go to my database, I should be able to see this. Refresh. Data. Yep, testing live. Right there, number 9. So now I can show get category by ID. So 9. This shows what my ID was for 9, category. So testing live. So I can also update it. So let's do, put it for 9. Let's do, this is a new update. Send. Now let's get the category again. This is a new update. This should have updated in my database also. Let's see. Fresh. Yep, this is a new update. Now let's delete it. Number 9. Send. Let's get all the categories, and it is missing now. So that's all of my CRUD functionality for categories. Now I wanted to show some of my code for categories, some of my API routes. So this is the API route for categories. Here is my find all, and then this one's my get by ID, my post, my update, and my delete. All right, so now I want to demonstrate the code for tags. So get all tags. Here's a list of all of the tags. Tag name, ID, product name, goes all the way down to, it was just a random testing I made. Okay, so let's create a tag now. So let's try, this is a new tag. So send. All right, tag created. Now let's get all tags, send. This is a new tag, so ID number 10. So let's go to ID number 10 to show that. Be able to retrieve it, number 10. And let me quickly show the database for tags. Refresh data. So here it is. This is a new tag. So it's updating automatically in my MySQL database. So now let's update this tag. This was number 10. Let's change it to hello, I am a test. So send. Tag was successfully updated. Now let's get the tag here. Hello, I am a test. And now if I refresh this, it says hello, I am a test. So it is working as intended. So I did get, let me delete it now. Number 10, send, deleted. So if I get all the tags, it should not be there anymore, correct? And now if I refresh this, it should disappear, correct? Okay. So the code should look similar for the API routes. Here is my find all tags, get all tags. Then this one's for getting a single tag, creating a tag, updating, and deleting. Alright, now I wanted to show the last thing, which was products. So here is getting a product. Shows plain t-shirt, and you can give it a price, a stock, a category ID, tags. Goes all the way down. And then let's create a product. So let's try Apple Smart TV. Okay. Then send Apple Smart TV ID 7. So let's get products. Should show up. Yep. Apple TV. Let's look at the database and see if it's there. Products. Refresh. And right there, Apple Smart TV. Now get by ID. What ID? Number 7. So go to 7 and it should pop up. Yep, Apple Smart TV. Update. Let's do this is a test for Apple TV. We change it to, I believe this was 7, send. And for some reason it gives 400 bad requests, but when I check on it, it still comes up okay. So now for the database, refresh. This is a test for Apple TV, correct? So everything's working as intended. Then delete. Send. Successfully deleted. And refresh. Deleted. So that is the overall functionality for my application. Here's what some of my code looks like for connection. And these are all my models. That is my demonstration. And now for concluding thoughts. After completing this assignment, I have a stronger understanding of databases and CRUD functionality. For the future, I would like to automate code deployment using either AWS or Google Cloud or a local Docker container. That is it. Thank you for listening.